Just had someone in real close. Alright, we just got up to go duck hunting. So, waiting on Christopher and his dad to get here, and we're gonna go at it. Just had someone in real close. Time to break the stacks out. Alright, we're gonna go stalk them. We got two wood ducks.
Huh.
He
You want
shot
to help
them
track them?
I didn't get none.
You want to help? You want to
Get it out a little bit, but show how pretty that thing is.
That is pretty. Tomorrow we're about to make a duck hunting trip. It's about a 4-hour drive to the camp, so we're gonna leave in the morning, head up there, and got everything packed and ready to go. We're gonna leave about 8 o'clock tomorrow and head out. Got our kayaks. We're gonna go scout for some ducks. You ready, Christopher?
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's get it on. We're gonna see what we can see. Get a plan for tomorrow. Starting to open up a little bit. There we are. Flock of ducks. Alright, that's a wrap to the scouting. Kinda got a game plan. We'll hit it in the morning. Right here.
Pop in when you want to get a chance, if he comes back. Ducks. Ready, shoot.
Got him. I got him. Coming over. Come. Oh, they're going away.
What?
I got him.
Sweet, dude. Awesome. Get ready. Shoot where you want. Yes.
I got him. Crud, dude, your gun's loud.
Yeah. You gotta be kidding me. Ever since I've moved.
They're behind us.
Dude, this gun is like a cannon. Navy SEAL guy. Kill him! Shoot him! That's with it at all on the way here.
Alright, we're scratching the kayak idea to this.
Get up on this hill, Cole.
See if you can find Christopher.
Get that one. Get that bird. Get that upside down bird.
Here come the ducks, hit the high baller. Shut up the dog, stare at the water. I'll say wind, hold on y'all wait. Get 'em boys, boom, 12 gauge. Out in the mud, down in Mississippi. Malibu, yeah, that's what gets me. Malibu, yeah, that's what gets me. Shooting this steel cause I can't shoot lead. But I don't guess I just knock them in the head in the duck blind, having us a good time. High five every time they fly by. Robo duck in the middle of the spread. Got sausage on the grill and a piece of white bread in the duck blind. I remember now when I was 14. A little wood duck hole, my friends and me. They were whistling Dixie coming through the trees. They sound like an M16 in the duck line, having us a good time. High five every time they fly by. Robo duck in the middle of the spread. Got sausage on the grill and a piece of white bread in the duck line. In the duck line. Will come this fall.
This is the reason we're not seeing ducks.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Yeah. Wow.
Every time they fly by, robo duck in the middle of the spread. Got sausage on the grill and a piece of white bread in the duck line. In the duck line.
So while you were videoing the sausages on standby?
Probably so. It's pretty good. Get down on in there. Chew fast like you was chewing. Going to town like you was going to town. Eat quick. Be funny.
Wow. That's enough.
Oh, want to just see that ugly head. All right. Krispy Kremes. Man, this kind of looks like Colton.
What? Krispy
This
Kreme?
guy on this.
Let me see.
You think he's a duck hunter?
Oh, that'll do? That's if I called.